Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pull data from different workbooks if I use the Excel language. In other words, I did another video where I showed you how to pull data from one sheet to another based on a condition. After I did that, I got another comment from a viewer saying that what if they are different workbooks? For example, this is called different workbook. This is where I want to pull the data based on a condition from this sheet here. I have this sheet here which has the department's name and salary of the different people, and I want to pull maybe salaries for one department only, and I load them into this sheet. And I've also utilized the drop down, so I'll depend on whatever is selected here to pull that into from this different workbook to this workbook here. Now to do that, there's a Google Sheet function called ImportRange. And what ImportRange does, it takes the URL of the sheet where you want to import your data from. It can be the URL or the sheet ID. And this one has to be in quotes. So let's look for the sheet ID there where I want to import our data from. So when we go to this sheet, ID is after this D stroke, then all this text here before the word edit, stroke and edit, that is the ID of the sheet from which we want to import our data from. So you can specify the whole URL, which will be the everything here, but it will be too long and make my formula complicated. So let's go with the ID. So when I do that, in quotes, I put my ID. So that is the sheet, the URL or the ID, then comma, the next thing is the range. So to get the range from where we're importing our data from, we, in quotes, we put the name of the sheet, which is full data. So in quotes, I'm going to say full data, then exclamation mark. Then the data I'm importing is from A2 to C9. Okay, so I can say A2 to C9, like so. So let's see if I close on what happens. So when you do it for the first time, it is saying I cannot find the sheet. Yes, there's the bracket here which I have to remove. So when you do it for the first time, it will tell you to give permission for importing. Click on that to allow, then it will import your data. So right now it is importing everything, but this is not what we want. We want to pull data to a different worksheet or workbook based on a condition. And our condition here will be what is selected here. So to do that, we need to use another Google Sheet function. Let me cut this and say filter. The filter takes a range. What are we gonna filter? It is that range which we have just imported, this one, which is we are getting through this import range function, comma. Then the next one is the condition. So we are going to import based on a condition, and our condition is that values in this column should be either finance, HR, or operation, or as we wish. So let's go back. How do we specify that column? That column, using this same import range, I can say that, paste it again, but then I specify the column as B2 to B9, which is this column B2 from here to here. The values in that column should equal to whatever I select. If I say finance, then close my filter function, press enter. There you go, you get your finance. Now, I don't want to keep hard coding the department here, but I can just refer it to a drop-down cell here, then hit enter. You can see now, because HR is selected, HR data is pulled. This is B and E is HR. You can confirm that, go here, B, and then E is HR. Now, if I want another department like finance, it will be that, admin be that, and operations will be that. So this is how you can filter data, pull it from a different workbook based on a condition in a drop-down. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.